morning, you guys. Hi. I'm finally back in my room. I'm finally back in Bombay. So, for those of you who didn't know, I was traveling, I was in my hometown, and then I took a little trip to Udaipur, and all of that was fun, but it was so hectic. And after a point, I was just like, I wanna go home. I wanna go back in my room and just be in my room. My room right now looks so messy, like there's stuff anywhere and everywhere. There are parcels. I have to do unpacking. I literally don't like unpacking at all. It's so annoying, but I have to do it anyway. And there's like dust on all the surfaces. Like, we really have to get into the deep cleaning mode. But as of now, I'm just gonna finish my breakfast. I'm probably gonna hear like a podcast or something. It's been a while, and after that, we are literally gonna use our day to get on track, to get all the things done. Okay, I am done with my breakfast. I was listening to this podcast by Emma Chamberlain. It was the 2024 fashion trend predictions. It's a nice 30-minute podcast that I just wanted to sort of hear to be, up to dated in the fashion game. Anyways, we are not wasting a single more second now. We are gonna start cleaning because this room is giving me anxiety for real. Like, everywhere I see, it's just stuff. Okay, let's start. Guys, oh my god, I'm finally done unpacking. It literally took me almost 1.5, 2 hours because there was just so much because I was gone for almost a month. But it's done now, and now I'm just gonna put like a 30-minute timer on my iPad, and I'm quickly gonna, clean rest of the surfaces, my desk, my makeup table, all of that. And I feel like when I put a timer and then just blast music, I get my work done quickly because then I'm not distracted, then I'm not on my phone. Otherwise, usually if I'm just cleaning, if I'm just taking my time too much, then I just really clean something, then I'm on my phone, then I clean something, then I'm on my phone. So that's not gonna happen. We're just gonna put like a 30-minute timer and try to complete all the rest of the cleaning in 30 minutes. I'm telling you, this 30-minute timer, 45-minute timer, whatever, timer works so well while you're cleaning. Literally, I'm done cleaning my whole room. It looks so much better. There are a few parcels that I'm yet to open and, keep all of that. But this is so much better. And now I think I'm just gonna take a shower because I feel so icky and I feel like so dirty. And I just feel like I need to take like a good, nice shower. I washed my hair yesterday, so I'm not gonna, wash my hair today. But still, we are going to take a nice, good shower. Just got out of the shower. I literally sprayed on my hair because I've seen people spray it on their hair, but I don't know if mine is like a hair mist or not. Literally, it's finished now. My moisturizer, I have used this so much in Jaipur, Udaipur, even in Bombay. It might be a little heavy if you apply it like in this Mumbai weather, but if you are living in like a cold, dry weather, I think this works really well because it like hydrates your skin like so much. I think I need a new pair of hoops because I have overused these. I wear these when I'm in my house, when I'm going for events, when I'm going for vacation, when I'm going for a day, anything. Like literally I wear these, but I want to change my statement hoops now. I want like something new, something fresh. I'm also gonna apply like a little bit of tint and like just do a very minimal makeup. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm still doing it because I just feel like getting ready a little. This is the tint that I'm currently using. It's like this very pink poppy Barbie color. See, it blends nicely. It's a very natural tint. Like it doesn't look like I'm wearing a tint, right? I think I can put like a few dots of concealer as well. Honestly, I do feel weird when I'm doing my makeup and like I'm just sitting at home, which is why I make sure that my makeup is very minimal so it doesn't feel too heavy on my skin and I don't feel like I'm wearing makeup, because otherwise I get this urge to just remove everything and just sit with like a clean face. Also, I'm looking for a new mascara desperately. My old one is finished now. Please, please, please give me mascara recommendations. Right now, should I do mascara? Oh, wait. So Anik recently went to Japan and he got me so many things. One of that is, I think, an eyelash curler. Okay, guys, we have a new eyelash curler. This one's from Shiseido. So apparently, according to Pinterest and, Instagram Reels, this is supposed to be the best eyelash curler ever. So let's put it to test. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah! Tell me you can see the difference because wait, let me see it like up close. No way, guys. I did it in front of you all and you all can see. This is so good. So I don't really like applying mascara when I'm at home, and this is amazing. Like, so for lips, I'm gonna be using this. It's the Rom and Juicy Lasting Tint. I think it's available in India also. It's on Tira Beauty, but this is 1/6 Corny Soda shade. The color screams, like Korean Japan kind of a vibe. Like it's like red brick like color. Damn, the tint is damn good. I don't know if it works for my skin tone or not. Like in real life it's looking good, but on camera I don't know. I can't tell. You all tell me if it's looking good. Okay, we are ready now, and now I'll just show you all everything Ani got for me from Japan. Like I've seen a few things, but like I'm so excited. I love doing these hauls, and yeah. So you all saw the Shiseido eyelash curler that he got, this Rom and lip tint. Then we have a few other beauty products. So this is a Fino Premium Touch Hair Oil. I've heard so many good things about this brand called Fino, and I thought their oil would be nice. Everything else is written in Japanese. Then we also have this Fino hair mask. Guys, I'm telling you, every person who I saw on the internet who did like a Japan haul had this in their haul. It is so viral. I think it's like top #1 kind of hair mask in Japan. I'm super excited to try even these two together. I want to see how they work for my hair. So you all must have seen me use like Peri Pera tint. So I just got like another shade in it. So this is the one that I already had. I used this so much, and now I have this one. Ooh, bro, that's so cute. That is such a nice shade. Wait, let me apply it. I'm like so excited. These are exactly the kind of, shades that I like wearing. And I think it's like looking so good on my skin. This was 36 Ink Velvet. That's the name of the shade. Oh, it's a Can Make product. Now, Can Make is another brand that I saw a lot of people, talk about. Okay, it's a shimmer eyeshadow. Can you all see it? Even I can't see it. But it's such a cute color. It's like a very pink, iridescent kind of a vibe. Then we have another product from Peri Pera. It's again a tint. So the thing is that I was on video call, so I think I couldn't see properly what was what, and everything was so rushy. So I just asked him to get a few things, and most of them are like tints. But it's fine. I'm in my tint era. It's a berry kind of a shade. Wait. Ooh, that's damn pretty. And even the packaging, so pretty, dude. Then we have a blush. powder blush and it has some shimmer highlighter as well, so it's like everything in one. I don't want to open it right now. This is the last item, and it is also a cream cheek blush. Technically I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tints slash blushes slash whatever. Wow, there are so many other cute things that are just lying there that I asked Anik to get for me from Japan, and I'll do like a haul on my Instagram, so watch out that space for sure. Okay, anyways, now we are gonna get some work done because I was traveling, so I've barely planned stuff, and there are so many things that I have to shoot. I have to do my content planning for YouTube, for Instagram, and there are like a lot of branded stuff that I have to plan and get done with, and I have to update my Google Calendar. I have to block my time and see where I'm going, what's happening, and all of that. I have to just basically set my routine again and make sure that I'm following it because I miss following my routine. So I'm just gonna do everything on my iPad. I'm done with most of my work and I'm hungry right now. Like, I'm super hungry. So I ordered lunch for myself because apparently my maid has decided to just not come. She just ghosted me, and it's just max adulting that I'm doing here. I'm telling you, living alone has its own perks and cons. But anyways, I've just ordered like a Mexican paneer salad for myself. So I'm gonna have it in my room only today because my dining and my hall, everything is a little messy at the moment. So yeah. Damn, I had like this salad after so long, and usually this is the salad that I have at least once in a week, aram se, and it was good. It tastes so yum. Also, you guys must have seen that I'm rewatching Suits. I've watched it twice before, like completed it 2 times. This is the 3rd time I'm rewatching it, and the way I simp over Harvey, like, it's insane. I love him. Actually, I'm just rewatching multiple shows. Like, sometimes I'm just watching Gilmore Girls again, sometimes I'm watching Gossip Girl, sometimes I'm watching just Suits or anything. I don't know if you all have any like new series suggestion. Please let me know in the comments because I think I need like a new series that can get me hooked. Anyways, right now I think I'm gonna shoot. I thought I'm not gonna shoot anything, but I'm actually in a mood to shoot like one reel that I had in mind for Instagram. So basically, these are all my PR packages that came while I was gone, and I thought I'll do like a PR haul on Instagram, like I'll make a reel or something. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna touch up, do my makeup a little better, and do my hair properly and shoot that. And after that, after I'm done filming that reel, I'm gonna edit it, I'm gonna post it, and then I'm gonna sit for 3 hours straight and edit this vlog because it's Friday right now and tomorrow I'm supposed to upload this video. And firstly, I thought that I'm just gonna vlog in Udaipur and I'm gonna put up that vlog, but that didn't happen because I was just not in a mood to vlog that trip. I started vlogging there, but I just couldn't, so I didn't force myself. So yeah, now I'm just gonna shoot, edit, post, then sit on like a editing spree. That will be it. I think then I'll just call it a day. And yeah, I think I'll just end the video here because next few hours are just gonna be me editing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and you all saw that I have planned a lot of YouTube content, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.